It'll be 48 straight hours of nothing but booze and drugs and sex. I have an overactive party urge that I just have to go and flex. Oh, I'm gonna get shit-faced and fucked up. I'll raise a ruckus and give y'all hell. Yeah, I'm gonna go and get shit-faced and fucked up. Maybe I'll land in jail, you never can tell. I've done got 6 guys lined up and another 2 as backup. You know, in case any of them are complete and total fuck-ups. And enough tequila, enough is to keep me on my feet. I'm counting down the minutes till I can hit the street. Oh, I'm gonna get shit-faced and fucked up. I'll raise a ruckus and give y'all hell. Yeah, I'm gonna go and get shit-faced and fucked up. Maybe I'll land in jail, you never can tell. Yeah, I'm a crazy party girl, some say I'm the worst. And if I'm not careful, I'll end up in the back of a hearse.